What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up a Chromebook to a TV. Okay, so this is my old Chromebook. I'm about to get a Chromebook now, so let me show you. So you'll see a bunch of plugins right there. You'll see a bunch of plugins. It's the one that says HDMI 1. It might say HDMI 2, but you have to make sure you have the right cord that says which one you're doing it to do, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. You have to make sure you have the right one, which I do. And then what you're going to do, you're going to hook it up to your TV. Okay, and then after that, you're going to, here, let me show you. Let me put this phone down real quick. You're going to put it right in here, just like that. You see it'll be connected, and then you're gonna turn your TV on and make sure you have it on which HDMI 2 or HDMI 1, which one you hooked it up to. It's gonna load. It's gonna take a second to load in. So I had to close my Chromebook and open it again for it to load up. I can't change my background, but once it will show your background right there. But then look, so go on your Chromebook. It's gonna show the mouse. See, if you're on your Chromebook, you're gonna go on. I'm gonna go on YouTube, play a song real quick or a video. And I'm going to just play this video. It's going to load in. I might have to give it a minute. Bro, it's at 15 seconds and it won't let me skip. I have already been playing this video for a bit now. But, so you see that? You're going to want to make sure you have your volume up. And look, it will show it on the TV when you move your volume. See? It's going to show it when you move it. Back to this. You're going to play it. You're going to turn it up. It's going to play on your, the sound's going to play. But once you close your Chromebook, it's going to pop up. As you can see, and if you want, you pull it full screen. Full screen. See? And that's how you do it, guys. Now, right now, I'm going to show you a little extra what you can do. So, that's how you do it, though. If you want to stay for the extra part, you can stay. Also, you can play, like, other stuff, like YouTube music. And, you know, like, you can pull up pictures just to have a good picture on there. To the extra part. So, like, pull up a, like, if you want, this is the extra part, you can pull up, like, a good picture you want. Let me show you real quick. Got a nice picture here. See, have it pulled up on my screen. I can't put it as my background because it won't let me, because I'm on the school computer. Okay, now just close your computer. There, now you have a nice background on your TV. But, yeah, and some more extra. And if you have a mouse, like a wireless mouse or, like, a connected mouse, I think you can have your Chromebook shut where it will like show whatever you're on, and you can move your like everything on here. So yeah, bye. Hope that helps you out, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, and thank you guys for no hands on bike. That video is my most popular video, not like my real life video, not like clown videos or something, but that's my most. But I want to thank you guys so much. And like, it keeps going up. It was just at like 5 views this morning, and now it's at 108. I want to thank you guys so much. But bye.